Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth gelatin, only way. Start by roasting bones to deepen flavor and remove impurities. Use cold water to cover bones fully and add a splash of vinegar to extract collagen. Simmer gently for many hours without boiling, skim foam, and add aromatics near the end. Strain carefully and chill to see gelatin set before storing in jars. Gather high gelatin bones like knuckle, neck, and marrow pieces, plus onion, carrot, celery, bay leaf, and 2 tablespoons vinegar. Preheat oven and roast bones until nicely browned to boost depth. Transfer roasted bones to a large stock pot or slow cooker and cover completely with cold water. Add vinegar and aromatics now, which helps draw collagen out during the long, gentle simmer. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more kitchen videos. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for long simmer sessions because you can read hands-free with adjustable light and long battery life. It pairs nicely with patience and a simmering pot, and yes, it survives a steamy kitchen better than a cookbook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Bring to a slow simmer, not a boil, and maintain low heat for 12 to 48 hours to extract maximum collagen and flavor. Periodically skim any foam and remove big bits, but otherwise let it gently work. Near the end, season lightly, then strain through fine mesh and cool quickly. Chill until fully set, then remove fat cap and portion into jars for fridge or freezer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.